said, Otemu Ogenenyeru teaching on YouTube. I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel as Otemu Math Success. The formula on the board is quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is equation that is equal to 0, ax raised to the power 2 plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now, we are asked to solve this equation. 4 over x is equal to x minus 3. There are two ways you can solve this math. You can make it over 1 and you cross multiply. That's one method. Now, another method is to use the denominator, which is the LCM, the LCM used to multiply each of the 10. So whichever method you use, you arrive at the same answer. Let me say the LCM is equal to what? X. I'll now use the LCM, which is x, to multiply 4 over x is equal to x to multiply x minus 3. Now, this we cancel this. You are left with 4. X times x is x raised to the power of 2. X times minus 3 is minus 3x. So we collect this 4 to this side to make it equal to 0. So here will be 0. X raised to the power 2 minus 3x minus 4. So I cannot say x raised to the power 2 minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. So let's compare these two things to give us minus 4x raised to the power of what? Of 2. So we now get the product of that number, which will give us 4x and x. That will give us this minus 4. So when I put minus here is plus, is equal to minus 3x. But I use minus 4x times plus x, give us this. Then when you subtract, when you say minus 4x plus 4x, give us minus 3x. So therefore, x squared, in place of minus 3x, I'm putting minus 4x and plus x. Then minus 4 is equal to 0. Now, when you do that, we factorize by grouping. So factorize by grouping. Then bring what is common here is x. Then what is not common here is x minus 4. What's the one between these two is plus 1. Then x minus 4 is not common. So you pick what is outside the bracket, which is x plus 1 into x minus 4 is equal to 0. Alright, therefore, and you equate these two things to 0. I'll now say x plus 1 is equal to 0. Or x minus 4 is equal to 0. So what will that be x? When this plus 1 crosses to this and become minus 1. Or when this minus 4 crosses to this side become plus 4. So the answer or the value for x is minus 1 or plus 4. Let me give you example number 2. Alright, let's look at number 2 example. 2 over x plus 7 over 3 is equal to x. So what will come to your mind is to find the LCM of x and 3. And it will give us what? 3x. So we use this 3x to multiply each of the what? 10. So I will now first use 3x. It's multiplying this first fraction, which is 2 over x plus 3x to multiply 7 over 3 is equal to 3x times what? X. So x will cancel x. 3 times 2 give us 6. 3 will cancel 3. 7 times s give us 7 what? X. 3x times s give us 3x raised to the power of what? 2. So I want to rearrange it. There will be 3x raised to the power of 2. when this plus 7x crosses become minus 7x, when this plus is crossed become minus 6 is equal to what? 0. So when you multiply these two things, it was minus 18x squared. And the two values multiplied will give you minus 18x squared is minus x and plus 2x. So minus x plus 2x is equal to minus 7 what? X. So we get the value here. So therefore 3x raised to the power of 2. In place of this, I'm taking these two values, which is minus 9x, okay, then plus 2x, give me minus 6 is equal to what? 0. So I'm comparing these two things. A factor out what is common here is 3x. We need to divide this, they are left with what? X. We need to divide this, they are left with what? 3. Now factor here, you have plus what? 2 is a common term. So you used to divide this, you are left with what? X. You used to divide this, you are left with minus what? 3 is equal to what? 0. So I bring the outside bracket out. Here is 3x plus 2, which is here. Make sure the two brackets must be the what? The same. If they are not the same, your working is not correct. You check your work. So x minus 3 is equal to 0. So I'm equating each of these brackets to what? To 0. So here will be 3x plus 2 is equal to 0, or x minus 3 is equal to what? 0. So 3x, when plus 2 cross equal to change to minus 2, or x is equal to when minus 3 change it to plus 3. So let's make x the subject of the formula by dividing both sides the coefficient of s, which is 3. Therefore, x here will be minus 2 all over this 3, or 3. So this is the solution. I want to encourage you again to subscribe on my YouTube channel at Otemu, and it's spelled out Otemu Maths Success. So subscribe, share my video so that others are looking for me. Millions of people are there looking for me so that they can equally subscribe and benefit from what I'm teaching. God bless you. Really good.